How to play PC game Mobox Emulator for Android. So let's get started. First thing first, setting up mobile app is typically a straightforward procedure where you need to download some APK files before installing them on your system. Mobox requires a more unorthodox approach as you need to set up a terminal emulator and run certain commands to fetch the packages for the emulator. Firstly, download the APK files for Termux, Termux X11 and Input Bridge from their respective Android links. If you have not already allowed the file manager to install apps from unknown sources, use the settings utility to grant this permission to the app. Inside the file manager, head to the downloads folder and install the 3 APK files you downloaded earlier. Launch Termux and paste this code we have shown on the screen. Then press 2 to pick the new WoW variant of Mobox when Termux prompts you to choose the emulator version. After that, once Termux has finished downloading the essential packages, you will need to enter Mobox into the terminal. Be sure to set your phone to portrait orientation for this step, otherwise Termux may display a warning claiming that the window size is too small for Mobox. After that, choose the Start Wine option and press OK to launch the Mobox container inside Terminal X11. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.